डेडलॉक क्या होता है? इट मीन्स सपोज आपके पास प्रोसेसेस हैं, कोई भी सिस्टम है उसके अंदर प्रोसेसेस हैं, सपोज देयर आर टू प्रोसेसेस, ओके, एंड देयर आर टू टेप ड्राइव्स, और वी कैन से द टेप ड्राइव्स आर द रिसोर्सेस. Suppose one process P0 and second one is P1, and there are two tape drives. One is allocated to this process and the other is allocated to P1 process. And suppose at time P, suppose tape drive 0 is allocated to P0 and tape drive 1 is allocated to P1. And at a given time P0 is requesting for the resource P1 which is allocated to P1, and P1 is requesting the resource tape drive 0 that is allocated to P0. It means there will be a deadlock condition. There are the main characteristics of the deadlock. It means first one is the mutual exclusion. It means only one process can use a resource. It means these are the necessary conditions for the deadlock. It means first one is the mutual exclusion. It means there will be no sharing of the resources between the processes that are executing in the system. It means कोई भी process है वो अपने resource को किसी के साथ में भी share नहीं करेगा. It means this is the first condition for the deadlock to occur. Second one is hold and wait. It means a process holding at least one resource. यानी कि process है उसके पास एक resource तो already है and is waiting to acquire the additional resources that are held by the other processes. Same example. It means दो tape drive है, दो ही processes हैं. Suppose करो एक tape drive एक process के पास है, दूसरे के पास है, और वो क्या है? One process is waiting for the resource that is allocated to the another process. It means this is known as the hold and wait condition. This is the second condition, necessary condition to deadlock to occur. Third one is no preemption. It means a resource can be released only voluntarily. It means जब उसका कोई भी प्रोसेस है उसके पास कोई भी रिसोर्स एलोकेटेड है तो वो जब तक उसका काम कंप्लीट नहीं हो जाएगा तब तक उस रिसोर्स को रिलीज नहीं करेगा, वो अपनी मर्जी से उसको क्या करेगा? रिलीज करेगा. And by the process holding it, after that the process has completed task. It means हम उसको forcefully किसी भी रिसोर्स को किसी प्रोसेस से नहीं ले सकते. जब उसका काम कंप्लीट हो जाएगा then it will release the resource and it will be allocated to the process that is waiting for that resource. This is the third condition. Fourth condition is the circular wait. Circular wait, it means suppose there are the 5 processes P0, P1, P2, P3 and P4. It means P0 is waiting for the resource that is held by P1 and P1 is waiting for the resource that is held by P2 and P2 is waiting for the resource that is held by P3 and P3 is waiting for the resource that is held by P4 and again P4 is waiting for the resource that is held by P0. It means this is the circular wait condition. It means there are the 4 important necessary conditions in a deadlock to occur. First one is the mutual exclusion, second one is the hold and wait, and third one is non-preemption, and fourth one is the circular wait. These are the 4 necessary conditions for the deadlock. Thank you.